Welcome to another video on the C programming video series for beginners. In this video, we will talk about the return value of the printf function. Now, in the previous tutorials, we have learned that in our C program, we can use the printf function to display the formatted text on the screen. And we know that this printf is a function. A function is a group of statements which will do some particular task, and we can provide the values for this group of statements, and after performing some operations, this group of statements can return a result. Here, this printf is the name that is given to a group of statements which will do the work of displaying formatted text on the standard output. The standard output is usually the terminal or the console. Now, the question is, what value does this printf function return? Now here, let us say I want to display this text hello on the standard output, and here this is the value that I'm providing for this printf function to work on. And after writing this text to the standard output, the printf function will return a value. If I take the cursor on this printf here, then the IntelliSense highlights that int printf. Here, this int part states that the printf function will return a value of type integer. Now here, this is the text that we are providing to the printf function to display on the standard output. And after displaying this text on the standard output, what this printf function does is it returns the number of characters it has successfully displayed on the screen. In this example, it will be 5. Now, for some reason, if this printf function fails to display this text on the standard output, then it will return a negative value, usually -1. Now here, what we will do is, we will create an integer variable, and I will call this variable as result, and I will store the value of 0 in this variable. Then what we do is, we will store the return value of this printf function in this result variable. And then we will use another printf function, and in this printf function, we will display the value that is present in this result variable, which will be the return value of this printf function that we are using. Now here, I will insert a new line, and then I will say number of characters displayed, and then the format specifier will be %d, and here we will refer the result variable. Now if I save this program and if I run this, then in the standard output we can see hello, that is from this printf function, and then we will see number of characters displayed 5. If you count here, HELLO, total 5 characters are there. So after displaying this text on the screen, printf function returned 5, and that value is present in this result variable, and we are displaying that in this second printf statement. Now here, what if I insert a new line and then say welcome, something like this, hello, new line, and then a space, and then welcome. If I save this program and if I run this, then we can see hello, welcome, number of characters displayed 14. Here, if we count HELLO 5, and then this new line character, which is 6, and then we have the space, which is 7, and then there are 7 characters in this welcome. So totally 14 characters are displayed on the screen. Now here, instead of this new line and space, if I use a tab like this, then what happens? If I save and run this program, it will be 7 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 13. Now what I will do here is, after hello, I will insert a space, and then I will insert the backspace character like this, and then we will have welcome. Now if I save and run this program, now here we can see hello, welcome, the space has been overwritten, and the number of characters displayed is 14. How? First it will display hello, which is 5, and then a space, which is 6, and then we have the backspace character, which is 7, and then 7 characters are there in this welcome, so total of 14. Now experiment with this code, try to display text in different ways and check out the return value of the printf function. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.